What is up, guys? My name is Maya and today is all about the rolls. Salad rolls like this. Dipping sauce included. Oh, check it out. Coming right up. Coming right up, Rod. You can make this too. What you're gonna need is topping station. What? So in here, all my vegetables are already cut, ready to go. A protein of choice, you can go totally vegetarian. I happen to have some chicken already cooked and some perfectly ripened avocados. Let's throw those in, why not? Rice paper wrappers. You can pick this up at any supermarket these days and it's awesome because it's only 35 calories a piece, holla. And you're gonna need some hot tap water. Go watch my video on how to make your own topping station. I'll link it in the description box. And you're probably wondering how I made this awesome, amazing, most wonderful chicken breast. That's also in the box below. Check it out. Let's assemble. Wicka, 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 what? Here we go. Take your rice paper. It's very delicate, like, oh, I totally thought this would smash into pieces, but okay, I was wrong. It's not that delicate. It's quite durable. Dip it into your hot tap water, and it only really needs to sit for a couple seconds. A lot of people make this mistake of putting it in for too long, and then pull it out. It'll still feel kind of hard. It does soften with time, like a few seconds. Get it on your cutting board and just start going crazy. Put some chicken on. You can go chickpea, you can go tofu, you can do beef, whatever you like. Some slices of cucumber, a little bit of cabbage, some peppers, some red onions, and of course, because we're Vietnamese, some cilantro. Dun, dun, dun. Throw in some avocado slices. Ooh. Check this out. Okay, here we go. The trick is to not overfill it, okay, until you get really comfortable rolling it. As you get more comfortable, then I dare you to overfill it and see how you go. Start at your 6 o'clock, right, at the bottom. Don't be afraid. The rice paper wrapper is quite durable, so look at how flexible it is. You can actually tug it just slightly and whoop, do the wraparound. Tug, do the wraparound. Tuck, 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 and roll. What? Oh! Just like that. How cool is that? Let's slice it open and see what we've got. I like to cut it at a diagonal because I'm fancy like that. Oh. See how easy that was? I'm gonna try to put more in this one. See what happens, because I'm feeling gangsta. Whoa, that was a lot of cabbage, but I love cabbage. Cabbage loves me. Okay, here we go. Clean your fingers and let's roll. Grab 6 o'clock. Grab the one closest to you. Tuck it in. Roll. Take your edges here. Look at how durable this is. This is awesome. Give it a good squeeze so that you get any excess air out so you have a nice taut roll. Taut rolls is what we're looking for. And tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Oh no! I have rippage. I have rippage. It's okay. It'll still be damn good. I might not slice this one though. Let's put it over here by that pile. The reject pile. All my goodies piled in. 4, Tuck, tuck, tuck. Squeeze, squeeze. You want to get that air out. Take the sides over. Tuck, tuck. Always tuck it in. And let's roll. Oh yeah. The slices. Oh, isn't that beautiful? You can't have salad rolls without a damn awesome dipping sauce. So I'm gonna show you what I like to do. It's really easy. So I have a sweet chili sauce for chicken. You can get this at any grocery store. Plus, I like adding balsamic vinegar to it to give it a nice acidic kick. And I'm all about texture, so I love finishing it off with some sesame seeds for that pop, pop, pop. All right. I go 1-to-1. 1 part chili sauce, and 1 part balsamic vinegar. And a sprinkle of sesame seeds. That's it. Stir it up, dippity-doo, there you go. Let's taste this baby. All right. Dip it up, man down. Dip it in your sauce, and then shove it in your mouth. Oh, yum! So good. Can't stop eating. Yum! Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Come back every week for more videos from me, yo girl, Maya. Oh no! I have rippage. I have rippage.